This is the adapter they have given, and then this is our device, and this is the splitter, and this is the Ethernet cable, and these are two RJ11 cables. One is for telephone and one for modem. Let's open this device. It has two antennas. And this is the on off switch. This is power supply. This is reset switch. This is USB port for connecting 3G dongle and hard disks. And these are 4 Ethernet ports. And then this is one RJ11 port. Okay. This is the quick review of Tenda 300 Mbps wireless and ADSL2 plus 3G modem router, model number D303. Thank you for watching.